This session, we are going to be learning how to rekey a BHP Halfmoon Spindle entry lever. The tools that we are going to need to do so are a plug follower, a 3/16" screwdriver, or if necessary, a plug clip follower. The first step that we need to do is to make sure that this is in the unlocked position. The way we do so is to make sure that we turn the thumb turn all the way to the right. Another way we can determine if it's unlocked is by using a screwdriver in the shaft and also turning it all the way to the right. To release the cylinder from the lever, locate the notch that is on the shaft of the lever. Place your hand around the lever, your thumb and your index finger against the rosette. Push down with the screwdriver against the notch and push the two halves apart. We now must remove the plug clip. Use a screwdriver and push one side of the plug clip down and pry it off the cylinder. Insert the key into the cylinder. Place the plug follower against the back of the cylinder and push it out, always keeping these together so that there is no gap for the top pins to fall down from the housing. Rekey your cylinder and insert the cylinder back into the housing. Use your thumb pushing against the cylinder to pull the key out. Put the plug clip back on to the cylinder and place the cylinder back into the mechanism. Pushing the two sides together, use the screwdriver to push the notch back in and squeeze the two halves together until the notch snaps back out.